At 25 years old, you could devour an entire pizza, sleep 5 brief hours, skip the gym for 2 weeks, and somehow still keep a completely flat waistline. Fast forward to 40, and you can eat a plain chicken salad, run 5 miles every morning, and still watch your midsection steadily expand. It feels deeply unfair, frustrating, and completely illogical. But what if I told you that the stubborn belly fat you are trying so desperately to burn after 40 isn't actually standard fat at all? It isn't a failure of personal discipline, and it certainly cannot be fixed by simply eating less and moving more. In fact, conventional caloric restriction often makes this specific type of fat virtually permanent. Your body isn't refusing to cooperate out of spite. It is executing an ancient biological survival program designed to protect your vital organs from an invisible internal threat. Before we unlock that biological code, hit that subscribe button to master your body's true metabolic blueprint. If you look closely at men over 40, you will notice something very distinct about their physical shape. The fat accumulating around the waist isn't soft, pliable, or squishy like the subcutaneous fat found on your arms or legs. It is hard, firm, and pushes outward from deep within the abdominal cavity. Scientists classify this as visceral fat, but inside your biology it functions like an entirely rogue endocrine organ. It actively secretes inflammatory molecules, hijacks your central nervous system, and fundamentally alters how your liver processes daily energy. In this video, we are going to look deep under the hood of the male body after 40. You will discover why traditional calorie counting backfires, how your primary hormones flip their roles from fat-burning allies into aggressive storage triggers, and why your liver becomes trapped in an endless loop of lipid production. More importantly, you will learn the exact biological levers required to reverse this entire cascade. We aren't going to discuss superficial diet trends or extreme workout crazes. Instead, we are dissecting the precise biochemical sequence that opens the cellular vault where this deep visceral fat is trapped. By the time this video finishes, you will fully comprehend why your midsection transformed, and exactly how to command your metabolism to release it. Let's begin by examining the invisible shift that strikes your endocrine system the moment you cross age 40. The invisible hormonal shift around age 40. A quiet but aggressive shift takes place inside a man's endocrine system. Free testosterone levels steadily decrease by roughly 1 to 2% every year, while baseline cortisol, your body's primary stress hormone, begins a slow, continuous climb. Think of your endocrine system like a high-precision thermostat in a temperature-controlled factory. When testosterone levels are elevated, the system sends constant instructions to construct lean muscle mass and burn incoming food as active fuel. But as testosterone dips and cortisol rises, that thermostat flips its direction. Cortisol alerts your brain that the body is experiencing chronic environmental threat. In direct response, your brain commands fat cells surrounding your internal organs to hoard every available calorie directly inside your abdomen. But here's what most people don't realize. Cortisol doesn't just store fat, it actively disables fat mobilization. It acts like an emergency deadbolt on your adipose tissue. And that false biological alarm triggers something far worse, deeper inside your midsection. The visceral vault and insulin lock. When elevated cortisol keeps your central nervous system on high alert, your pancreas responds by overproducing insulin to ensure your cells receive quick glucose to escape danger. The fundamental problem is that you aren't running from wild predators. You are sitting at an office desk or stewing in traffic. Picture your liver as a busy distribution center receiving crate after crate of incoming glucose. Under healthy conditions, workers easily offload this fuel into muscle cells for instant usage. But under chronic insulin elevation, the entrance doors to your muscle cells are locked tight. Unclaimed glucose backs up on the loading dock to stop your bloodstream from toxic sugar overload. The liver frantically converts that extra glucose into dense visceral fat, packing it tightly around your internal organs. This is where it gets interesting. Visceral fat cells possess significantly higher densities of cortisol receptors than regular surface fat cells. This transforms your midsection into a one-way biological vault, where fat easily enters, but elevated insulin completely prevents it from escaping. Yet, even if you cut calories down to starvation levels, a third hidden factor steps in to sabotage your progress. The shrinking engine. By age 45, the average man loses roughly 3 to 5% of his active muscle tissue every single decade, a natural degradation known as sarcopenia. You might not immediately notice this loss in the mirror, but your basal metabolic engine is silently downsizing. Think of your total muscle mass as a high-performance V8 engine idling in your driveway. That massive engine consumes substantial amounts of fuel even while the vehicle is parked. But as sarcopenia strips away your fast-twitch muscle fibers, that powerful V8 engine is gradually replaced by a tiny two-cylinder lawnmower engine. You may be consuming the exact same meals you ate at age 25, but your downsized engine simply lacks the physical capacity to burn that incoming fuel. The excess energy has nowhere to go except straight into storage. But your body doesn't work like that. Attempting to fix a shrinking engine by drastically cutting calories forces your system to break down muscle tissue for emergency fuel, shrinking your metabolic engine further every single month. And while your metabolic engine shrinks during daylight hours, the most destructive biological damage happens while you sleep. The broken night shift. During deep stage 3 slow-wave sleep, your pituitary gland releases powerful surges of human growth hormone, or HGH, acts as your body's master cellular restoration tool. It rebuilds broken muscle fibers and actively mobilizes deep visceral fat stores for overnight energy repair. Picture your internal biology as a large manufacturing plant at night. When the lights turn off, an elite overnight maintenance crew of HCH molecules enters the building, clearing cellular debris, repairing worn machinery, and burning through stored fuel reserves. However, elevated cortisol from daytime psychological stress directly disrupts deep sleep architecture. Without deep slow-wave sleep, the overnight maintenance crew never receives security clearance to enter the facility. Here is the critical piece most men miss. When nighttime secretion crashes, your body remains stuck in a state of continuous cellular breakdown. You wake up with elevated fasting blood glucose, depleted energy, and intense cravings for fast carbohydrates, continuing the destructive cycle all over again. So how do you bypass this biological deadbolt and force your system to burn visceral fat again? Re-engineering the cellular environment. To reverse this physiological trap, you cannot rely on traditional caloric restriction or endless low-intensity cardio. You must deliberately re-engineer the biochemical signals governing your cellular environment. Think of this process like rebooting a frozen computer operating system. You don't strike the keyboard harder, you enter the precise control sequence. First, you must lower baseline insulin levels by introducing strategic intermittent fasting windows, giving your liver dedicated time to clear its backed-up glycogen storage. Second, you must stimulate fast-twitch muscle fibers using heavy compound resistance exercises, signaling your genome that muscle tissue is essential for biological survival. This is where everything changes. When you combine heavy mechanical tension with controlled insulin windows, your cellular insulin receptors regain peak sensitivity. Natural testosterone synthesis receives a powerful stimulus, baseline cortisol levels normalize, and the metabolic deadbolt on your visceral fat vault finally springs open. Once these internal signals flip back to green, the transformation taking place inside your body becomes remarkably consistent. The metabolic awakening. When you stop battling your biology and begin aligning with its internal cellular machinery, the physiological shift inside your body is fast and profound. Within weeks of restoring insulin sensitivity and reactivating muscle tissue signals, the chronic inflammatory stress surrounding your liver begins to clear away. Your body stops viewing incoming food as a threat to be hoarded in deep storage and begins utilizing it once again as clean, active energy. The hard, protruded belly fat that felt completely impossible to move was never a permanent fixture. It was simply locked behind a complex wall of hormonal miscommunication. By understanding the intricate biochemical dialogue taking place between your brain, liver, pancreas, and muscle tissue, you regain direct control over your metabolic fate. You aren't merely shedding abdominal fat for visual appearance. You are decompressing your internal organs, restoring cellular communication, and reviving the high-performance biology you were engineered to possess. Stop trying to starve your way to a flat waistline. Shift your focus entirely towards signaling your cells that it is safe to burn fuel again. Rebuild your metabolic engine, clear out the overloaded liver warehouse, and give your nighttime repair crew the deep sleep required to perform their vital work. If this deep exploration of human metabolism gave you a powerful new framework for your health, share this video with someone who needs to hear it. And if you want to understand the exact cellular mechanism that occurs inside your liver when you fast for 24 hours, make sure to watch our next video right here.